am so excited to be here. It has been a long 9 or 10 months, I think, since I was here last. A lot has changed around my house, and I really regret not filming it because there's been a lot of improvements, a lot of DIYs, and I think these are all things that you would have enjoyed watching, but I kind of lost my mojo for a while. I got a new camera for my birthday, so I think I've got my mojo back. And I really appreciate you watching this video today. It means a lot.
I don't taste it. Obsessing over dress when I split. Shoot me a blink. I'm dying from boredom. I even lie.
I'm not going to do a voiceover today telling you step by step everything that I'm doing because it's kind of obvious what I'm doing, dusting, vacuuming, etc. So I'm going to spare you all of the details unless there's something specific I want to chat about. I'll just let you listen to the music while you watch me clean.
I must be made out of steel.
You're going to see my puppy walk in here in just a few seconds. He's no longer a puppy anymore. He's also been neutered and gained a couple pounds. We'll just call it the Quarantine 15.
No one is in charge of my steering. This I know, this I know, this I know. Hoping dreams are meant to be shared and seen. No, no, yes I know. Painting watercolors outside the lines is uplifting and no crime. Get out of the box, let me show you how. Here we go.
These motion sensor lights under my bed are really great when you get out of bed at night. They stay on for about 30 seconds so you can see where you're going and then shut off automatically. I'll put a link to them below in the description section if you're interested in checking them out. I got them on Amazon and they come 2 in a pack, I think, for $20.
Let me show you how. Here we go.
I'm using the eCloth all-purpose cloth for dusting today. I'll include a link to that below as well. I got mine on Amazon.
I try to get closer to you, drinking courage from my red cup now. I will soon make a move. Ooh, I can taste it, the bittersweetness of taking a shot, a risk worth taking. If it's a shot of love, baby, I adore you. Maybe I adore you. Yeah, I'm feeling high, I'm up on cloud nine. Baby, I adore you. I try to focus on breathing. My heart is skipping a beat. Your lips against a red cup makes me lose my mind completely. Ooh, I can taste it, the bittersweetness of taking a shot, a risk worth taking if it's a shot of love. Baby, I adore you. Maybe I adore you. Yeah, I'm feeling high, I'm up on cloud nine. Baby, I adore you.
This is my granddaughter's bedroom. It pretty much stays like this whether she's here or not, even when she's here for a few nights. She's really good at keeping her room clean. She also doesn't have a whole lot of stuff in here to junk it up anymore.
Trying my best not to lose control, 'cause I adore you, adore you. Trying my best not to lose control. I want you, that's all I know. Trying my best not to lose control, 'cause
Each room I go into, I just rinse out the eCloth, wring it out, and start again. The polishing cloth I use throughout the entire cleaning process. But the actual microfiber cloth, I just go into the bathroom, rinse it out, wring it out, and then continue on with my dusting.
I'm restless, so give me something to do. Yeah, I can't stay here because I need to dance. Jump around and show them how I move. Everybody will be on me. Wanna join me when I take a shot? I'll be the center of attention, like I was some kind of astronaut. Cause I'm shooting for the moon tonight, and I got a feeling I'm gonna crash some stupid party. Tear the ceiling down in front of everybody. If someone's pouring up.
This is the room my daughter used to sleep in. It's converted to sort of a guest bedroom, I guess. I don't really have any guests over. But if I did, this is where they would sleep. It's also my nail room where I keep my 900 bottles of nail polish.
Got a feeling I'm gonna crash into this party. I'm just an accident waiting to happen like. Stop, yeah, I can't wait to hear that bass drop dance. It's all I wanna do right now. Everybody will be on me. Wanna join me when I take a shot? I'll be the center of attention, like I was some kind of astronaut. Cause I'm shooting for the moon tonight, and I got a feeling I'm gonna crash some stupid party. Tear the ceiling down in front of everybody. If someone's pouring up a drink, I'm calling shawty. I'm gonna find a crowd so I can put it on me. Swinging from the chandeliers, I won't be so.
I got a new couch for Christmas, but this is not it. It wasn't delivered until about a week or two after this video was filmed. So I have 2 videos that I had pre-filmed, so you'll see one more before you see the new couch. And you'll see a lot of improvements I've made here. I got rid of the bookshelf that used to be by the door. I put in a picture ledge over the couch. I got a new console table in the dining room. It's not really, I guess, a console table. It's like a sofa table, but it's very narrow, and that's why I use it in my dining room. I also hung new pictures on the wall in the dining room, but I just did that this weekend, so you won't see that until 3 more videos. So definitely click subscribe so you can see all the changes that I've made.
A million people in the crowd, but I only see your face in all the lights. And as the bass keep pounding on me, baby, I really wanna make you mine. I don't really care about love.
One of the leveling screws fell out of the bottom of my chair. As I was vacuuming, I hit it, picked it up, and then turned around to just put it in my pocket and toss it in the trash. But then I actually looked at it and realized what it was. My kitchen is by far the messiest room in my house, other than, I guess, probably the garage, which has no rhyme or reason to its organizing. But I try to follow this simple rule for every other room in my house. Don't put it down, put it away. So when you walk into a room with something in your hand, don't put it down, just put it where it belongs, then you don't have to touch it again and you're not making a pile to clean up later. And that seems to work for all the other areas of my house, except the kitchen.
Something about you gives me hope. Something about you, yeah. When the sun goes down and the night sky's falling, do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause deep inside of my wildest dreams, you'll be by my side when the sun goes down.
I assume if you're watching my video today, you watch other cleaning videos as well. And I was just wondering if you have a favorite sink cleaner. I'm not talking about a chemical or a detergent to clean your sink with, I'm talking about a person. If so, leave who that is in the comments. My favorite sink cleaner is Amanda from This Crazy Life. I just love the sink cleaning part of every one of her videos.
My glass was always half empty, but now you're in my life. We're far away from the city lights, so small under the night sky. It's just us two, but I don't mind. You could never wear me out, even after all of these years. You still look at me with the same love. It's just us two, but I don't mind. You could never wear me out. You could never wear me out. We have come all this way, love, so I don't see us stopping now. My life's an adventure, 'cause you came along and showed me how to love without limits, to have a good time. Now my life's an adventure, and you're the reason why.
Folding laundry is probably the one cleaning task that I hate the most. I mean, I don't love cleaning. I love having a clean house, but I don't love cleaning the house. Laundry, though, is my least favorite, so anytime I wash and dry a load of laundry, I always try to immediately fold it and put it away, because if I don't, I'll be living out of laundry baskets for the rest of my life.
But I don't mind. You could never wear me out. You could never wear me out. Far away from the city lights.
I saw this sock folding technique on TikTok and now fold all of my socks this way. It keeps them together without having to use the elastic to wrap around the other sock, which usually ends up stretching it out.